Hello friend, in this session we are going to discuss about the if-else statement. In the previous session we had seen the simple if statement. This if statement or conditional statement is also known as the branching statement. So the if-else statement in C language is used to execute the code if the condition is true or false. It is also called as the two-way selection statement. The if-else statement is an extended version of if statement. The if-else statement is extended version of if statement. The general form of the if-else statement is as follows. That means syntax of the if-else statement is like that. If, then test expression, here in opening and closing curly bracket, true block of statement. In else part, here opening closing curly bracket, false block of statement will be there, and here is the general statement will be there. So if the value of the text expression is true, here is the condition. In some book there is a condition will be written here. Here text expression will be written also here. If this text expression is true, then the true block is executed, and if the value of the text expression is false, then the false block of statement will be executed. So the control will be automatically transferred to the statement appearing outside the block of if. So how the flowchart of the if else statement will be? So see here is the start. Suppose there is a condition. If this condition is true, then it will be go here, execute the code in the if block. And if this condition is false, then execute code in the else block of statement will be executed. And when this condition is true, the flow will be go from that side, execute the code in the if block will be executed, and here execute the code outside the if block will be executed. And if this condition is false, then it will be execute the code in the else block, and control will be goes to execute the code outside the if block statement. So how the if else statement will be work? If the expression is evaluated to non-zero, that means if the expression is true, that means if the text expression is true, then if block statement are executed. And if the expression is evaluated to 0, that means false, then the else block statement will be executed. That means here see here the syntax will be if this condition is true, then true block will be executed, otherwise the else part will be executed. So this will be demonstrated with the help of the example. Here I take in the main function num variable of int type, and I assign initially 0 value to that num variable. Here I take the value of num with the help of the keyboard and check that if the num here, if the num mod 2 equal to 0, if the num mod 2 equal to 0, then the true block will be executed. If the number mod 2 equal to 0, then it is the even number, otherwise it will be the odd number. So while executing that program, suppose I enter the value of num is 4. So 4 mod 2 equal to 0, yes, because the 4 is completely divided by 2, the remainder will be 0. So condition is true, then the 4 number is even, message will be printed. Suppose I take the num value to 5, then 5 mod 2 equal to 0, no, it will be 1, because 5 mod 2 equal to 1, because remainder is 1. So else part will be executed and it will be print 5 number is odd, like that way. So friend, see here, when we had seen the operators in C, there are relational operators in C. The C has 6 relational operators that can be used to formulate the Boolean expression. Boolean expression means true or false, and it will be used for decision making and testing condition which return true or false value. So there are these 6 relation operator are like that: less than equal to, greater than equal to, and not equal to. Notice that the equal test, that means equality test, equal to is different from the assignment operator. The equal to is nothing but the assignment operator, and equal to is called as the equality operator, because it is one of the most common problem that programmer face by mixing them up. So for example, suppose here variable x of integer type, I assign 41 value to that particular x variable, and I increment x by 1, and check here, if x equal to 42, then printf you succeed. When this code will be executed, the output will be you succeed, because the value of x is 42 now. So keep in mind that the condition that evaluated to non-zero value, it is considered as a true. For example, suppose I take a present variable of integer type and assign 1 to that variable. If present, here is the test condition, and what is the value of present is 1. So if 1, then this true part will be executed. So printf, there is someone person in a classroom, it will be executed and show like that output. So friend, we use the relational operator for checking the condition in if statement, and this there are more than one expression are joined with the help of the logical or in that way. So in the if else statement or if statement, we can use the relational operator for checking the condition, and that means for when we write the text expression, then we obviously use the relational operator in C. So friend, this is the concept of if else statement. Hope you have to understand today's lecture. If you have any query, then ask me. Thank you friend.